Good day everyone, thank you for joining us today. Our presentation will be focused on comparative analysis of the accounting practices of two global technology leaders, which is Apple Inc. and Huawei Technologies. These companies are among the most influential in the world, but they operate under entirely different accounting frameworks. Apple used US-GAAP, a rules-based system that emphasizes precision and consistency, while Huawei adheres to IFRS and CAS, a principle-based framework that offers greater flexibility for global operations. To provide context, Apple, headquartered in Cupertino, California, is renowned for its innovative products like the iPhone, MacBook, and the Apple Watch. It operates globally, generating significant revenue from markets such as the Americas, Europe, and the Greater China. In contrast, Huawei, based in Shenzhen, China, is a global leader in ICT infrastructure and smart devices, serving over 170 countries and focus heavily on emerging markets. Financial reporting is crucial for both companies to build trust among investors, regulators, and other stakeholders. It ensures transparency, its decision-making, and enhances credibility. While US-GAAP provides strict rules and detailed guidelines, IFRS allows a company to adapt their reporting to diverse international markets. Our objective today is to explore how these frameworks influence the financial reporting practices of Apple and Huawei. We will examine key elements like revenue recognition, asset evaluation, disclosures, compare their approaches, and discuss emerging challenges. Let's begin with Apple practices under US-GAAP.
Apple's GAAP practices. I will now explain how Apple adheres to US-GAAP to ensure clarity and consistency in its financial reporting. Apple prepares four primarily finance statements: the income statement, balance sheet, statement of shareholders' equity, and cash flow statements. These documents provide stakeholders with the detailed view of Apple's operation and financial health. In 2023, Apple reported a net income of $99.8 billion and a gross profit of $171.73 billion. These strong performance underscore the company's operational efficiency and market dominance. Under US-GAAP, Apple recognizes revenue when control of goods or services transfer to the customer. For example, product sales are recognized upon delivery, while subscription service like Apple Music are recognized over the subscription period. Apple's deferred revenue of $15.1 billion in 2023 reflects its future service obligations, such as software updates and Apple Care warranties. Apple's disclosures are comprehensive and aligned with GAAP standards. For instance, the company reported share-based compensation expenses of $10.2 billion in 2023, demonstrating its commitment to retaining top talent. Additionally, Apple uses hedging strategies to mitigate risk from currency fluctuation, and these are transparently detailed in its financial notes. Apple's financial report also include clear terminology such as deferred revenue and right-of-use assets to ensure the stakeholders fully understand its financial commitments and strategies. These practices highlight Apple's adherence to strict regulatory standards and its commitment to providing accurate and reliable financial information. Now, let's examine Huawei's financial practices under IFRS.
Thank you. Huawei's IFRS practices. Huawei financial reporting under IFRS and CAS reflects a principles-based approach that allows flexibility to accommodate its diverse global operations. Huawei prepares key financial statements similar to Apple's, including the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and comprehensive income statement. These documents provide a transparent view of its financial performance. In 2023, Huawei reported total revenue of CNY 704,174 million, with 67% of its revenue generated from China. The company categorizes its revenue by region and business segments such as ICT infrastructure and consumer business, offering insights into its business market strategies. Revenue recognition under IFRS aligns with Huawei's operational realities. Revenue is recorded when customers obtain control of goods or services ensuring that reported figures accurately reflect economic activity. Huawei reinvests over 20% of its revenue into research and development, focusing on areas like artificial intelligence and 5G technology. Costs that meet IFRS criteria are capitalized as intangible assets, demonstrating Huawei's commitment to innovation while maintaining financial transparency. Sustainability is a key focus for Huawei. The company has reported achievements such as generating 997.9 million kWh of green energy and reducing 495 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions. These efforts align with IFRS' growing emphasis on environmental, social, and governance reporting. Huawei's ability to adapt its financial reporting to meet international standards underscores its global competitiveness. These practices illustrate Huawei's strategic use of IFRS to support its innovation-driven approach and environmental initiatives. Now let's compare the accounting practices of Apple and Huawei.
My name is Nur Nabila bint Abdul Rahman. My matric number is 22124047. Today I want to talk about emerging challenges. First is currency volatility, which is fluctuations in exchange rate can significantly impact revenue and profitability and complicating financial planning and reporting. For technological advancements, the rapid evolution of technologies such as digital currencies and automation, they require continuous adaptation in financial reporting to practices to stay current and compliant. Third, sustainability and reporting, which is there is increasing pressure to incorporate environmental and social consideration into financial disclosures, necessitating transparency and adherence to global ESG like environmental, social, and governance standards. For a conclusion, Apple and Huawei are global companies that manage their financial differently. Apple uses GAAP, which focuses on accuracy and consistency, that fitting well with US regulations. Huawei also use FRS, which is more flexible, helping them to operate in various countries. These both companies also face challenges like change in currency values, new technologies, and the need to report on environmental and social issues. Their accounting also method show that they try to be clear, follow the rules, and stay innovative in changing world.